I bet you didn't know OnePlus has been a game changer since day one. OnePlus, a name synonymous with pushing boundaries. From their early days as the flagship killers, they've consistently challenged the status quo. Remember the OnePlus One? It shook the industry. Affordable, powerful, and impossible to ignore. Fast forward to today, and OnePlus continues to innovate. They've carved their path, always focused on the user experience. Their journey into the foldable market began with the original OnePlus Open, a bold step into uncharted territory. It was met with excitement. Excitement for a new player in the foldable game. Now they're back with the OnePlus Open 2. A testament to their commitment to refinement and pushing technological limits. This isn't just another iteration, it's a statement. A statement that OnePlus is here to stay in the foldable market. And they're not just playing, they're playing to win. The OnePlus Open wasn't just a phone, it was a statement. A statement that OnePlus was serious about foldable technology. They brought their signature blend of performance and design to a new form factor. The result? A phone that turned heads and sparked conversations. But OnePlus, in true fashion, wasn't content with resting on its laurels. They listened to their community. They took feedback to heart. The OnePlus Open 2 is the culmination of that feedback loop. It's a refinement in every sense of the word. We're talking improved hinge design, a more durable screen, and a camera system that rivals the best. All of this is wrapped in a package that feels as premium as it looks. The OnePlus Open 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution. Let's talk design. The OnePlus Open 2 is a head-turner. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it feels incredibly well built. When closed, it's remarkably thin. You wouldn't even think it's a foldable phone. Slip it into your pocket and you'll forget it's even there. Open it up, and you're greeted by a stunning display. The bezels are almost non-existent. It feels immersive, like holding a tablet in the palm of your hand. And the hinge, butter smooth. OnePlus has clearly put a lot of work into refining the hinge mechanism. It feels sturdy and inspires confidence. But it's not just about aesthetics. OnePlus is also focused on durability. The OnePlus Open 2 uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for both the inner and outer displays. This means it's more resistant to scratches and drops. They've also improved the hinge design to make it more dust and water resistant. This is a foldable phone that's built to last. Section 4, Display Dynamics, Unveiling the Canvas. The star of the show is undoubtedly the display, and OnePlus has pulled out all the stops. The OnePlus Open 2 boasts a massive 7.8-inch foldable AMOLED display. The resolution? A mind-blowing 120 Hz refresh rate. Everything is buttery smooth, from scrolling through social media to gaming. But it's not just about the specs. The display itself is gorgeous. Colors are vibrant and punchy, blacks are deep and inky, and the brightness is more than enough for outdoor use. Whether you're watching movies, browsing photos, or just scrolling through your feed, the OnePlus Open 2's display is a treat for the eyes. And let's not forget about the outer display. It's a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means you get a flagship-level experience even when the phone is closed. No more compromising on screen size or quality when you need to use your phone one-handed. Section 5. Performance Prowess, Unleashing the Snapdragon. In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, performance is king. And when it comes to performance, the OnePlus Open 2 stands tall, ready to take on any challenge you throw its way. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 is an absolute beast. It's not just about having the latest technology, it's about how that technology is harnessed to deliver an unparalleled user experience. It's powered by the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This powerhouse of a chip is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, ensuring that your phone runs smoothly no matter what. This means you can expect lightning-fast performance, no matter what you throw at it. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or juggling multiple apps at once, the OnePlus Open 2 won't break a sweat. Gaming, multitasking, video editing, you name it, the OnePlus Open 2 can handle it with ease. Imagine playing your favorite mobile game with zero lag, editing a video on the go without any hiccups, or switching between apps seamlessly. This phone is built to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, and it's not just about raw power. The OnePlus Open 2 is a testament to the perfect marriage between hardware and software. OnePlus has also optimized the software to squeeze every ounce of performance out of the hardware. This means that every interaction, every swipe, and every tap feels incredibly smooth and responsive. The software is designed to work in harmony with the hardware, ensuring that you get the best possible experience. The result is a phone that feels incredibly snappy and responsive. From the moment you unlock the screen to the time you close your last app of the day, the OnePlus Open 2 delivers a user experience that is second to none. Apps launch in a flash, multitasking is a breeze, and gaming is an absolute joy. The OnePlus Open 2 is designed to keep up with your demands no matter how intense they may be. Whether you're a power user who needs to run multiple apps simultaneously or a gamer who demands the best performance, this phone has got you covered. Of course, no performance conversation is complete without talking about battery life. After all, what good is a powerful phone if it can't last through the day? The OnePlus Open 2 packs a sizable battery that will easily last you all day, even with heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or working on the go, you can count on the OnePlus Open 2 to keep up with you. And when you do need to top up, the phone supports super fast charging. This means that you can spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your phone. You can go from 0 to 100% in minutes. Imagine being able to charge your phone while you get ready in the morning and having it last the entire day. That's the kind of convenience the OnePlus Open 2 offers. It's not just about having a powerful phone, it's about having a phone that fits seamlessly into your life, keeping up with your demands, and making your day-to-day tasks easier and more enjoyable. The OnePlus Open 2 is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse designed to enhance your life in every way possible. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the OnePlus Open 2. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and insights. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews and insights. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth content. See you in the next video.